Good morning, sir. Are you Kenneth Spears? And Mr. Pageant, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we're going on the full indictment.
Yes, Judge. That's my understanding, Your Honor.
Mr. Spears, in cause number 25 DCCR 1425, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of fraudulent use or possession of credit or debit cards from July 17th of 2025. Your indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of attempted forgery by possession, a state jail felony, May 1st of 2000. Also, well, it looks like on that same date, 3 offenses of attempted forgery by possession. And then after those were final, you were convicted of possession of a controlled substance, a state jail felony, March 22nd of 2006. 2 cases of possession of a controlled substance on that same day. And then after that was final, or those were final, you were convicted of the state jail felony offense of evading arrest or detention, January 6th of 2014. And how do you plead to the charge of fraudulent use or possession of a credit or debit card? I'm sorry. And are those prior convictions true?
Yes.
Did you enter your plea of guilty and true freely and voluntarily? Speak up, please.
Yes,
And did you plead guilty because you actually did what they charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Paget? Do you fully understand them? And it looks like there is not agreement, which means you're leaving your punishment up to the court. And the range of punishment for this offense with those prior convictions would be that of a 3rd-degree felony, which is between 2 years and up to 10 years. And what that means is that I can sentence you anywhere in that range of punishment. You have every right to have a jury come in and decide 2 things. One, if you're guilty or not. And then the second is you could leave your punishment up to that jury. If we go forward, you'll be waiving that. Is that what you want to do? And so there is no agreement. So he does have a right to appeal, but you guys have signed the post-conviction
We have
waivers.
changed things a few times. It's correct. I need to take it back and all.
Judge, the state has no objection to you.
I'll just mark for the
Modify
post.
Yes, we have no
So
objection.
because there's no agreement, you do have some rights to appeal depending on what happens, and you
And that is how
understand
I-
that as well. Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the state is recommending, and of course, we'll see when the pre-sentence report comes back, a 5-year term. You are asking through your attorney for a deferred probation. Is that correct? State tenders number 1.
No objections to states 1, Your Honor.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Spears is not competent?
None, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty and true freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you, this case, your history, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. Anything that you think is important for me to know, get that information to Mr. Paget, and he will present it to me on your behalf when we come back. All right. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's at that desk right over there. All right. We'll see you back at sentencing.
Thank you.
you.
Thanks, Judge.